Hey, the robots meta definitions provide search engine bots with information about whether they can read your website and include it in their index. If the robot's data is incorrectly set, this can prevent your website from being indexed for searches. For search engines to find your site, you need to make sure you have appropriate settings or ensure that there is no code that might block search engines from searching for your website. This is important as your website will not be displayed in search engines. Log into your WordPress account as usual to get to the dashboard shown here. Click on Pages in the left menu and select your homepage by clicking on the page name. Scroll down to the All-in-One SEO Pack section and select the tab named Advanced. Ensure the checkboxes are unmarked under Robot Settings. These steps should be repeated for all pages you want to have indexed by search engines. When finished, click on Update. When you've completed the last step, you can mark the task as finished. Now, let's move on to the next task. If you want to learn more about digital marketing, visit rankingcoach.com to see how we can help your business's online presence.